Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to bring you guys a little video. This is going to be spring tabletop decor. Tabletop could be a regular table, your coffee table, on top of your mantle. Anything there is a top. Anything there is a top. If you don't have a table for your entryway, it could be a simple table. It doesn't have to be a mantle. A lot of people put mantle decor. If you don't have a mantle and you want to take part in a collaboration, so just decorate a nice surface. But this is the spring tabletop decor. This is going to be a close collaboration with Anna from the Grace Life DIY, myself, Deborah Cabassa Home Living. Guys, so I want to do here like a spring display with some flowers, my bunny rabbit, everything springy. If you have eggs, you could put eggs. So I'm going to take this out. I always keep everything here, my candle holders, I put them in here because my table's here and that's what I do. So I'm going to take this out. I'm going to polish my hutch, my hutch, and then I'm going to bring you guys back. But right now I'm going to take everything off, put it away, and I'm going to get to the next phase. Guys, this hutch is the same age of my daughter. So my daughter is 34 years old. And when my husband and I got married, he got me the whole apartment full with furniture as a wedding gift. So yeah, guys, this is a very old hutch. I love it. It's an antique. So yeah. And the paint, well, the finish, it was all ruined and I redid it myself. One day I just decided to sand it down and refinish it. You could do that. A lot of people, they get rid of the good furniture, the antique furniture that lasts for years, and then they buy new things. Then when you're going to see, I mean, you cannot even touch it because it shakes, it moves. You gotta have something that, if you buy something, even, you know, back then it cost us a lot of money because it was in the 80s. But buy something there's quality, it's gonna last you for a long time, you know. Even if you don't like the color, you could just, you know, I will never paint this any other color. This is the original color. So I decided to just refinish it the same way. I gave it a very, very light sanding. I stain it, and then I put the, what is that called? The shellac. There's for furniture. And God forbid how many more years it's gonna last. So guys, I want to put a runner here. So I have a small runner that I want to put in here because this is small, just for, I got it backwards. Oop, hold on guys, I got it backwards. Then I want to put flowers in here, but before I put flowers, I want to use my lights. These ones are, I thrifted this one a while back. So lights. So So I have two of these, so I want to put one on this side. I'm actually going to bend the twist because I want it to be the background to be covered. See, I have the other one here. I barely use this for any video, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to come back with some progress. Sorry about my back, guys. I have no other way to get comfortable here to decorate this for you guys. And guys, just have in mind that everything that you see in this decor is thrifted. Everything that you are going to see is thrifted, except one thing, which it was a gift from one of my subscribers. I don't want to put anything that's going to stick out for when people walk by. I got my garland. I want to put a little vase with flowers here on the center. The flowers that I'm using are from the Dollar Tree, and the vase is thrifted. So and these are just random flowers that I have in a box. And guys, and if you going to decor something, shop your house. Shop your house, because I know you gotta have flowers somewhere that you're not using. So remember, guys, this is a spring theme, so I want to make sure I have enough flowers like spring. I'm just laying them down, no particular way, just laying them down, guys. I want to add a little bit of yellow color on this side. Maybe I should look for yellow flowers to put on this other side. I think that should be okay. Then I have this one. I'm just going to I never cut my flowers. I usually bend them. So like that, I could just, if I need to use them in something else, I could. So I'm just going to stick this here. I have my little Easter tree. I don't know if I should put the Easter tree in the back. Let's see, guys. Yeah, here it goes, the changing around thing. Let's see, because I know that the tree's a little tall. Let's see how it's looking. How is it looking, guys? I'm going to put some Easter pigs. Since it's spring, we're going to use birdies. Guys, this bird that you guys going to see here, I was going for a walk with my grandson this past weekend, and we went by a house and they had a table. They have a lot of stuff for free. I just decided to grab the birds. Oh, and one painting. I gotta research this painting. Look at this painting, guys. I gotta do some research. Look at the frame. It's a beautiful frame. It's a nice painting. I want to open it and check inside for a signature. But it's beautiful. And here's my little bunny that I wanted to use. But I think I need more flowers. So I'm going to play with these flowers right there, guys, and I'm going to bring you guys back. Well, guys, here you have it. I'm going to take you down out of my tripod and bring you guys close and give you a closer look. But I forgot one thing. I forgot to add my little X on this side. So yeah, guys, here's my little Easter spring tabletop decor. So you could do Easter, you could do anything that you like, guys, as long as it's spring related. And Easter, of course, is spring related. So guys, we are going to be bring this back soon, but for now, this one is a close collaboration. And guys, I wanna tell you, check out the Grace Life DIY home decor for some collaborations, guys. On March 16th, we have Risk Galore. Okay, on March 14th, we have the spring entryway refresh. Then also on March 20th, we have hopping into spring tier tray. Quick and easy meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. And of course, it's Tablescape Tuesday. That is at 6 p.m. Then we have the home cleaning motivation. That's every Monday at 7 p.m. You clean your house, you clean something in your house, you want to share it. Just hashtag DeepClean24. And of course, follow YouTube Etiquette. For more information, go to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Check out her community page. She have the calendar for March for all these open collaboration, guys. Okay, so March 15th, we have Styling My Way, Cozy Corner of Vanier, March 25th. We also have the March Magnets, Serving Wood Tray. Yeah, guys, go and check the community tab. These are open collaborations for you guys to participate and meet other people, and also it'll help you grow, because if you do collaborate with the same people, you know you're not gonna grow. So you need to meet new people. So it doesn't matter what you do, just come on and join us, guys. And also I'm going to be having my yearly collaboration, April Showers May Flowers. That one is with the Grace Life DIY home decor, and we're going to be bringing you guys some more information. But the flyer, it is on my community tab and also on the Grace Life DIY community tab. All right, guys, let me bring you guys close and show you what my tabletop looks like. Guys, I hope you like it. It's simple, but it's spring. Look at the birdies right there. I think it turned out beautiful. I love it. It took me like 10 minutes to put together, guys. So I hope you guys like it. And like I said, everything is thrifted. Let me move out of the... There's my little Easter egg with all the little decorations. There's the face of the little Easter egg display. All right, guys, I'm going to come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.